Small Business Hacks 100 Shortcuts to Success. Hack 10. How and why to incorporate your business. Don't make the all too common mistake of thinking you don't have to incorporate your small business because you're just a one person, home based, part time business. If you're running a legitimate business, no matter how small, it needs to be incorporated. Incorporating your business is essentially creates a shield between your business and the personal you. One important reason to incorporate is to protect yourself and your assets from lawsuits. That's because no matter how small or informal your business is, you could be sued. Suppose your business hits a rough patch and you can't pay a business debt. It's possible for the creditor will take you to court to get their money back. Or what if you run a party planning business and a child is injured during a birthday party you planned? Will the parents sue you? If you operate your own accounting company, you could be held liable if you make a big mistake on a client's taxes. In these and countless other cases, if your business is not incorporated and you are sued, all your personal assets could be at risk, including your savings, possessions, and possibly your family home. And even if the lawsuit is baseless, you still have the legal cost involved in defending yourself in court. If you are the only person in your business and you haven't taken steps to determine a legal form for your business, by default you're considered a sole proprietor. If you have formed a general partnership with another person, your personal assets are still not protected. So, how does incorporating protect you? When you incorporate your business, it creates a new legal entity that separates from its owners. If your corporation owes debt or if it's sued, the business, not you personally, is liable. Incorporating has other advantages. It makes it easier to separate your business and personal finances, which has tax advantages. It helps you establish a credit score for your business so you don't have to rely on your personal credit score. If you need to get a loan or look for investors, being incorporated helps. Being able to put Inc. or LLC after your business name looks more professional, which can make customers and clients feel more confident doing businesses with you. There are several different forms your business can take when incorporating: a C corporation, an S corporation, or an LLC, limited liability company. Here's a quick overview of the differences. C corporation. A C corporation pays federal income taxes. However, any dividends paid to the owner or the other shareholders are also taxed. This is sometimes called double taxation, and the S corporation form was created to help avoid it. S corporation. An S corporation doesn't pay federal income taxes. Any income or financial loss is passed through to the owner and get reported on his or her personal tax returns. LLC. Limited liability companies have a more flexible management structure than the C or S corporations, while still protecting your personal assets. Any profits or losses from the business will be reported on your personal tax return. There are costs associated with incorporating as well as paperwork you'll need to complete every year. However, when you consider the personal uh, that could arise from not incorporating, the cost is well worth it. It's best to consult with your accountant or attorney to help determine which form of business is best for you. There are also companies such as CorpNet, LegalZoom, and Incorporate.com that can do much of the work on your behalf. However, when you consider the risk to your personal finances that could arise from non incorporating, the cost is well worth it. So, as we can see, um, incorporating your business is a way of protecting me or you as a person from being sued. It also has financial ramifications. So, taxes were mentioned. So, where um, it both has financial and legal implications, is to consult a attorney or accountant. I would almost try to get advice from both, just because an accountant might tell you one thing and a lawyer something totally different. So if you discuss it with both an accountant and a lawyer, um, you can get their perspectives of, okay, from a financial and legal, what's the best? Um, and then you can kind of merge the advice to incorporate in a way that makes most sense to you. Um, as someone that works for a bank, um, they put legal designations on signature cards for businesses. So I can say there's more than just these three types of legal designations, but those are the three legal designations when it comes to um, or incorporating, or at least, according to this book. So I guess actually it did mention partnerships, which I guess isn't considered being incorporated. So I would consider exploring all your options when starting your business, just to shield your personal finances from you know being attacked if you get sued. So hopefully you found some value from small business hacks, and keep checking back if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell notification. Thanks and have a good day.